Whenever you're dealing with a vehicle that's had to replace power steering pump, rack, or let's even say a master cylinder, you need to look at the reservoir. The reservoir, well, it holds fluid, but it's also designed to trap contaminants. Inside of these are baffles, in some cases screens for, let's say, a power steering reservoir that are designed to capture large pieces of debris. So when you go and fix the power steering pump, but you don't address the reservoir, there could be those debris and contaminants that could go through the new pump or a very expensive rack. These are very simple items to replace, but they can make a complete difference on the job. It also goes for caps. If you see a missing cap for a brake master cylinder or even a power steering reservoir, recommend replacement right away, because without the cap, more and more debris under the hood could find its way into the system. So make sure you look at the reservoir and also the cap, and you'll make sure that that job is done the right way and it's not contaminated. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.